Now this is in a building with, potentially thousands of people. Would you want to be breathing in that stuff? And then if you take into account that this is going to have a dramatic effect on the energy efficiency of the building, because these filters being in this condition are blocking the flow and circulation of the air through the system. So it has a trickle down effect. Not only are you creating a system where you have poor indoor air quality, but then it's all you're paying for this. The building is paying for this. But then because the building is wasting energy, society is paying for this. And this is